In this video, I'm going to be talking about the difference between business taxes and personal taxes. Two of the key questions that I get asked the most is, have I paid everything? And a variant could be, did I miss anything? And the second one is often, well, why do you have to pay personal income tax when I've already paid business taxes? So that's why I want to list for you the taxes that you would be paying when you're living in France as an individual compared to the taxes that your business is paying, and you really have to see it as two independent things, you as an individual and your business. So if we start with your personal taxes for you as an individual, the taxes that you would be paying on a yearly basis is, first of all, impôt sur le revenu, the income tax, which is based on the income that you have generated, and basically it could be a salary, or if you're married, a salary, self-employed income, private pension, public pension, rental income as a secondary source of income. So that's your income. You have to be careful of the word income. In French, when we say income, we mean, or when we say revenu, is the remuneration that you get for your work, whether you're employed or self-employed. You have to be careful not to use it as in the same term as in the US. When you say your business income, it actually means turnover or sales. For us, income is the money that you're taking out of your business so that you're being paid as an employee. So that's the income tax, impôt sur le revenu. And basically in France, we declare it in May. In May, we declare all income we've earned the previous year, and we're going to pay that tax around September. The second tax that you will be paying as an individual is called taxe foncière. So if you're living in France, you're renting or you own a property, there's a tax that you have to pay once a year, which goes towards the local authorities, and it's called taxe foncière. We usually get that bill around October time. And the last tax, as a personal tax that is slightly disappearing now, is called taxe d'habitation, and this one is if you own a property. It's a tax that you pay as a property owner. This tax has been steadily suppressed, deleted basically, and it's only applicable now for people who own a secondary home or have made investment into property. So basically your main home, résidence principale, you don't pay taxe d'habitation. But if you have a second home, or for instance, let's say you have several gîtes, or you invested in properties, you're going to have to pay taxe d'habitation on those other properties. For non-French residents who have a holiday home in France, it's the same. They would have to pay taxe d'habitation in France for that property. So these are the taxes that you may pay in France as an individual: impôt sur le revenu, taxe foncière, taxe d'habitation. Now let's look at your business taxes. So for your business taxes, your business is going to be paying social charges, charges sociales, and those are going to be paid towards URSSAF, and they will go towards your health cover, your French public pension, and a training fund. So charge sociale is the one that you will see as soon as you start, as the one that you're going to be paying towards for your pension, health, and training fund. Now, if you go above a certain level of turnover, you may have to start charging VAT to your customers, TVA, taxe sur la valeur ajoutée, tax on added value, and it's only if you reach a certain level of turnover, so you're going to start charging VAT, but you yourself are also paying VAT, so you're going to deduct the two and pay the lump sum money to the tax office. And the last tax that you would be paying is CFE, contribution foncière des entreprises, and it's a small tax that you owe towards the local authorities where your business is based. So it could be 100 to 500 euros. So the confusion here between business taxes and personal taxes is when we say taxe foncière for your business, we get confused with taxe foncière as an individual. So it's two different things. Taxe foncière, your business pays a tax towards the local authority where they're based, while taxe foncière for you as an individual is you paying tax towards the local authorities because you live somewhere that goes towards, for instance, the collections of bins and so on. So that's the one. And the other one that most people get confused is your business pays social charges, VAT, CFE, but when you take some money out of your business and you pay it to yourself, this is an income. So this income is submitted to the French income to the French income tax. For instance, as a micro entrepreneur, you're going to be paying your taxes, you're going to take some money out of your business bank account as your remuneration, your business income. At the end of the year, this has to be declared. You will declare your total sales, and the tax office will assume what your income is and then add to your overall household family income and work out your taxes. So that's the key difference between personal taxes and business taxes.